Good morning, students. Myself Charu Mahajan, your computer teacher. Welcome to the computer session. In this session, we are going to learn about different types of memory. In the last session, you have learnt about the primary memory, that it is a working memory or the main memory. Primary memory is divided into two parts, RAM and ROM. RAM is random access memory, ROM is read-only memory. RAM is also called the main memory, which consists of the memory chips that can be read from and written to by the processor. But it's a volatile memory, that means it loses its contents when the computer is turned off. ROM is read-only memory. As the name tells you, it's a permanent memory, that means it's a non-volatile memory. Its content doesn't loses when the computer is turned off. Now we will discuss about different types of RAM. First, SRAM, that is the static RAM. It's efficient and fast. It's very fast in working, but it's very expensive also. A computer's speed depends on the RAM, and SRAM is very fast in the speed in the working of the computer, but it's very expensive. Whereas dynamic RAM, DRAM, is inexpensive. ये उससे cheap है, उससे सस्ती होती है और बहुत ज़्यादा popular है ये. Nowadays we popularly use the main memory DRAM, that is dynamic RAM. The third is MRAM, magnetic RAM. It's a new type of RAM which stores the data using the magnetic charges instead of the electrical charges. Now we will discuss about ROM, different types of read-only memory. There are three types of read-only memory: PROM, EPROM and EEPROM. But before discussing the types, I just want to tell you, beta, you can't store your data in ROM. When you start working on the computer, you just start typing, you work on the RAM, and when you save your work, it goes into the secondary memory and doesn't goes to the ROM. ROM is permanent memory but is used by the computer manufacturers. The basic input output system, which is a sequence of instructions that computer follows, is contained by the ROM chips. Okay, जो ROM chips होती हैं वो बेसिक इनपुट आउटपुट की जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस होती हैं उनको स्टोर करके रखती हैं. सिस्टम कैसे चलेगा, क्या होगा, कौन सी कंपनी का है, कब बना था, क्या चीज़ उसमें लगी हुई है, वो सब डिटेल्स जो हैं वो ROM में आती हैं, जो मैन्युफैक्चरर ही डाल सकता है. जब कंप्यूटर बन रहा है, इंस्टॉल हो रहा है, एट दैट टाइम द इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन टू द ROM. ओके, the three types of ROM. First is PROM, programmable ROM. It is a blank ROM chip on which you can place items permanently. Programmers use the microcode instructions to program the PROM chip. Erasable programmable ROM is another type of ROM which contains the data which can be deleted by using ultraviolet rays. अल्ट्रावायलेट रेस से हम इसका डेटा जो है वो इरेज कर सकते हैं, जबकि प्रोग्रामेबल रीड ओनली मेमोरी का हम नहीं कर सकते हैं. इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली EPROM is another version of EPROM which allows a programmer to erase the microcode with an electric signal. EPROM में हम अल्ट्रावायलेट लाइट से इरेज करते हैं और इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली EPROM में हम इलेक्ट्रिक सिग्नल से डेटा डिलीट कर सकते हैं. नाउ we'll discuss about the secondary memory. Secondary memory is used to store data for a long time. When you save your file, gives a name to it, it goes into the permanent memory of your computer, that is hard disk, which is one of the example of secondary memory. You can transfer your file to the pen drive, that is also a type of secondary memory. We can say secondary memory as the backup memory also. We take the backup of our files in our pen drive. That's why it's also known as backup memory. Now RAM requirement हम डिस्कस करते हैं. The amount of RAM on your computer determines the amount of programs and data a computer can handle at one time. That means कि जितनी ज़्यादा RAM होगी उतना आपका सिस्टम फास्ट चलेगा. इसलिए if you are shopping for a new computer or looking to upgrade your existing computer, make sure that it has sufficient RAM. Okay, more the RAM, faster the computer. Now we will discuss about memory modules. Memory module is a circuit board that holds the memory chips. RAM is a type of memory chip that makes up the main memory in the computer. Two types of modules are available, SIM and DIMM. SIM is the single inline memory module. It has the pins 32 to 72 pins it has in the opposite side of the circuit board, but in dual inline system DIMM, pins are up on the opposite side of the circuit board, do not connect and thus two sets contacts, but it has the pins up to 164. Number of pins in dual inline is 164. Now we discuss about the cache memory. Cache memory is a temporary memory which enhances the speed of CPU. CPU की speed को enhance करने के लिए cache memory का use होता है. Cache memory जो है वो improve करता है processing speed को. It improves the processing speed of the computer because it stores frequently used instructions in data. जो चीज़ हम बार बार यूज़ करते हैं ये उसको आगे ही रख लेते हैं ताकि हमें बार बार ढूंढना ना पड़े और उसको फास्टली यूज़ कर सकें. ओके, दिस इज़ द कैश मेमोरी. नाउ हियर्स द एंड ऑफ योर चैप्टर. सो सी यू लेटर इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन एंड थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग लिसनिंग मी. टिल देन, बाय.